you know?
Well, I know the parts, but okay. This is the. Let's start with the pubic symphysis. This is pubic symphysis right here.
Pubic symphysis.
This is clitoris. The ones that go right here. This red part right here.
All right, all right.
This is the entrance, the external uterus orifice.
All right.
I'm not sure how to say that. This is the urethra. This whole thing's the urinary bladder. This is the labia majus and the minus right here. And this part right here is the hymen. And then the vagina entrance is right here. And then we have the anterior, the posterior, and then the cervix, which goes right here. And then this is the rectum, the anus is down here. This outside right here is a peritoneum. And then we have, this one's a rectouterine pouch. This side is a vesicatorian pouch, right? And then this is the peritoneum, the myo, and then the endo. This part is the uterus. Inside here, we have the Round's ligament, and then the ovaries, and then we have the fimbriae, the big part that's on the outside of the other one. And then it goes to the endothelium, infundibulum, and then the urinary tube. I think that's it.
Okay, so this shows you both the external and internal structures of the female reproductive system. So starting from the outside, you have here what is this one? Labia majora or labia majus. This one is the labia minora or the labia minus. Okay, here you have the clitoris here, this one, which is strategically put there, and this one is very sensitive. So when the penis goes here during copulation, so this one rubs with the penis for the attainment of sexual climax. So this one, this is the hymen, this is the opening, this is the vaginal canal, or we call it the birth canal. Okay, and then of course you know this one, the cervix, right? And then here this one shows you the fornices. So this is the posterior fornix, and then you have the anterior fornix here, and the lateral fornices that were shown through that model. So it's just like the cervix is like this, all right. So the anterior fornix is here. The lateral fornices would be here, and the posterior fornix. It's just like a how do you call that? It's a U-shaped structure. Okay, and then this leads to the external os and the internal os. So this one is the space called the lumen, and you identify the layers, right? The layers with the other. Okay, now just for you to note of the position of the internal structures with the other systems. So this is part of the urinary system, and this is what? The urinary bladder, right? And this one is the urethra. So in terms of the openings here, the vagina is at the middle. All right, don't be mistaken with the openings. This one is the anus. Don't take this one. You better take the middle. So this one is always good to know anatomy. So this one is the rectum, and of course this one is a part of the sigmoid column. All right. So you also have the ligaments here. This is the round ligament. Okay. This is the uterine ligament. That one. That's the fallopian tube, the fimbriae. Oh, okay. This one is the ovarian ligament. I'm sorry. The ovarian ligament. This one is the round ligament. Okay. The fimbriae and the ovaries. Okay. What else did we miss? Okay. With reference to this one is your. Okay, we identified this last time. This one is your ureter. Okay, and this one is your kidney. You could identify this ones also, right? This one is the
The red one?
This one is the
That's the aorta.
That's the right clavicle, no, the
what do you think?
Descending aorta?
descending aorta, no.
Is this the descending aorta?
Here you go. You're on the right track.
This one branches.
Done deep surgery.
This one is the
Right lumbar.
Iliac. The iliac.
you don't know these ones anymore. This is the right iliac. This is the right external iliac, and this one would be the right internal iliac. Arteries. Okay, and the veins also. This one is the iliac, right iliac vein, the external iliac, and the internal iliac veins. Okay, so you also have to know. All right, let's have group one.